Hey everybody, hope you're doing well, and this is the 3-tier filing cabinet that is metal and has faux wood on the outside. Check out the rustic look on this. I'm just gonna pull out and zoom in on this table. This is made by the same brand and it has the same exact rustic look. So take a look at how that goes together. That is absolutely amazing. And this table is 29.5 inches tall. So this filing cabinet will fit perfectly underneath. Again, this is the 3-tier and very, very easy to put this together because most of this comes completely assembled. Actually, all you have to do is just install these handles, which are very easy. They just have little screws on the back and you just have to do the feet and adjust which feet you want. Like for mine, I just put the regular feet on there just because I'm not going to be pulling it around, but it actually comes with the rolling feet as well. And there is a locking mechanism on here, so this doesn't roll away, which I think is really nice. So if you do want to pull this in and out, that is just an option that it does come with. Now, taking a look at a couple of the features that we have here, this does come with a lock and it comes with 2 sets of keys. So once you have this locked, it actually locks every single one of them, which is just a really nice feature. So we have 2 different sizes here. We have 2 smaller ones and 1 bigger one. This one's going to be perfect for actual files and storing paperwork because it has a little lip on the edge that you can just put your normal file paper organization. Second cabinet isn't going to be as deep, but it's still very, very nice. And lastly, the top one is going to be the same as the one that I just showed you. And you also get this really nice storage compartment that I do like. And what's cool about this is it has a little slit there on the end and it goes right into one of these sides. So you can put it anywhere you would like. And as you can see, it doesn't slide around. So you can put like pencils here, erasers, extra staples, pretty much anything you want in this little compartment and give it nice, easy access. Or you can move this to the back. So whatever you like, really, really cool. So on this one, it does have the metal casing all the way around the black top. And I'm going to pull this out just so we could take a little bit of a better look. All right, so on the side, it's going to be black, and on the back, it's going to be black as well. So overall, I absolutely love this filing cabinet. If you're looking for something that's going to look a little bit modern, give you a couple different color options, you can also get this in a 2-tier drawer or a 3-tier, bunch of different options. And if you want the desk to go with it, it's an absolute perfect match, and I'm really happy with it. So thanks for watching. I highly recommend this product. Go check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.